Well, hello and welcome to a frosty Saturday morning Vandal vlog, and we start off with something a bit weird. I think my van got broken into last night. About 15 minutes ago I came down to my van, my side door was open, it was ajar, and all the Nerf guns and the trolley, all the Nerf guns were on my driver's seat and the trolley was pushed over. It's like someone's been going through that side of the van. But nothing's broken. It doesn't appear to be anything taken. So I don't know what the hell's going on. So that was a bit of a shocker when the side door was open when I walked up to the van. But it seems alright. But there's no damage or nothing. I mean, it's got a fob. So have they used some sort of remote control or something to get into the van? And it's obviously empty. There's nothing in here worth taking. You wouldn't want to take the van either. So that was a bit weird. Either I'm tripping or something's gone down anyway. But it's currently 5:30 in the morning on a Saturday, and I'm up and at it. I want to get out here before the scrappers do, because I've had nothing the last couple of days. It's been pretty quiet. Have a look over there, shall we? So yeah, I don't know what's going on with the van. But it definitely hasn't been broken into. So yeah, that door was ajar. It was over here. So yeah. Van thieves are out, I guess. Too bad they didn't find anything. Don't look like we're going to find anything either. They took a no fox given approach to that, didn't they? Been in here in a while. The same bottles are still here. It's crazy. It's quite a nice mirror there. Nothing. Absolutely jack. It's got a really strong smell of weed just then. Don't know. Nah. Well, absolutely nothing yet. Scrapyard closes at 11:30 on a Saturday, so it'd be nice to get filled up before then, but I don't think there's no chance. Might as well check the honey hole quick, can we? See any large appliances. Don't see anything down there anymore. skip this there. Been in there before. Looks like it's been re-emptied. Doubt there's anything in there, is there? Let's have a quick gander. No. Couple of plastic hula hoops. Oh, is it? I thought it was a bit of scrap, bud.
Yeah, no.
Sorry, fella.
I think that's the woman's upstairs buggy.
Is it? Good job you saw it, buddy. Cheers, mate. Someone's buggy upstairs. It's been there for 2 days. I only picked it up to put it out of his misery. It's my bloody luck, isn't it? This is what this day's going to be like. Right, that's it. Made up my mind. I'm never touching another buggy ever again. Oh, there's a cat over there on the wall. Well, I've just done through here, but nothing. I think I might have to just stop coming through here. Oh, it's a pipe. There's nothing around here in a long time. Kind of crazy. But yeah, on to the next spot then, to find nothing. It's a creepy little lane I've never been up before. Didn't even know this existed. Don't know where it goes. I'm gonna have a little look. This is a dead end. I think it is a dead end, isn't it? Oh, scratch that. Oh, I see an electric radiator on top. Let's have a gander. Let's have a goosey gander. We finally found something. You know what that is? A pipe. Another plastic. Couple of scrappy bits. Stripping it away. Get rid of the box. That's it, just a radiator. Take it. Oh, I'll take it. Oh yeah. Saw a fox run in front of the road. He just went. Whew. That's a good omen. That is. That's good luck. Oh, I hope so. We're gonna need it, guys. We're gonna need some luck on this one because there's nothing. Well, Stone the Crows actually found a bit of scrap metal. That's all it is. Turn around. A tiny bit of scrap metal. I'll take it. Hopefully it's not been left out for someone. Hello, that's my neighbours. Is it? Oh. Is it the same neighbour that left the piss jet out? Oh, what? As light as air. That's the helium steel that Paul, Scrap and Pallet Man, talks about. It really is as light as air. Oh well. I'll clean these streets up. One street at a time. Something just bombed. It's not looking good, people. It is not looking good. I was there yesterday, that gas canister was still there. Got a couple of, oh, we've scored. Oh, we're in, boys and girls, we're in. We're in. Hurrah. Hurrah. We've got a tumble dryer. Shut up, man. Oh, yes. Told you, the fox was a good sign. Oh, it's a washer. It's a washing machine. Get Dolly up, shall we? Break our spines today. Good times. Good times. Let's try and do this without making too much noise. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, she big heavy mama. She big heavy mama. Boots on either, damn it. Huh? Oh. And there's loads of water in it. It's gonna stink. Reeks. Oh yes, that is gonna stink. But that's the smell of scrap. That's the smell of victory. Well, it'd be rude not to have a little look around here, wouldn't it? Ugh, don't see anything. Pump. Nothing today. This is why I had to leave the washing machine the other day, come back. Amazingly, it was still here. That in itself was a miracle. Let's take the bus stop. Nothing there either. Flipping heck. Hello. Nothing there. Check around here. bolts in the treadmill. It's got a lawnmower there. It's got an oven down here just around the corner. I think I've actually had 2 ovens off this corner. Nul pas. Damn it. There ain't nothing. I think we know what time it is. It's Greg's! Woo! Well, I am going to make a sacrifice of a chicken bake to the scrap gods. And I might scrap this out. I don't know. Maybe. I'll see how I feel. It's pretty stinky back there. But for now, I'm going to eat this. I'm going to drink my coffee. I'm going to head over there, see if the fly tippers have been active. And I'm going to stick you on the chest, but we'll try not to get too much steering wheel action. To be honest with you, I don't know how much action we're actually going to get today. Probably not a lot. Let's hope I'm wrong. Hey, right. Time for a sacrifice. State of the coffee over my door. Oh, if you thought that scrapping was a clean job, think again. It's everything gets destroyed. Desperate times, desperate measures, and all that. What's this in here? Nothing. Oh, it's a bit of scrap. It's a bit of scrap. Well, look what we have here. You know I'm a big fan of fans. Oh. I'll deal with that later. Oh yes. Don't open the side door. I've got a fan. A couple of scooters. The fridge with a cord on it there. So they're definitely scrap. Get a few scrappy bits up here now and then. Anybody need a football? Probably the kids around here. Just wood. Just a bit of wood. Do, 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 do. Oh, is that stainless by any chance? I'm saying no. That was right, for once in my life. Got some scrap. take some scrappy bits. The Vandals here. Oh, copper. That was nice of them, wasn't it? Bit of copper in there. Some other bits. Let's fish the copper out of there later. Ain't mad at that, there's a bit more in there and all. Good times. Well, there's a little bin area here, it's really awkward, I have to be quick. There's normally a few scrappy bits. Take that. What's in there, but I kind of want to find out. Bloody flat screens. Bit wood, bit metal. Crates and all. Take a few scrappy bits and a couple of crates. You guys probably didn't see any of that because I hit the camera. It's a problem with chest cam. Scrappy bits, you should recognise this place. Wood. Could do sorting this van out a bit better. Do it with a wheel and all. Get off. Don't forget your snips. No hiding. Nope. That'll do. I'll take them anyway. Before Dolly gets buried, let's get her up front. Oops. Ugh. She also have something over her. Scrappity scrap. Oh yeah. Not a bloody clothesline. Of all things. Not even a microwave. So what, I'll just take that bit. I ain't taking the rest. No way. Have a little look around here quick. Normally get one or two scrappy bits. Not today though. Not even a wheel. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. A fridge in Scrapville with a cord on it. There's a scrappers truck right there. Take that. Thank you very much. Couple of little scrappy bits here. Open sesame. See a monitor with a cord. Oh, what that is? Oh, it's not even metal. Bit of eye in the alley. Hopefully. That's it. Not a lot going on. Fridge. See it's got a cord. Be amazed if it has. What stone the crows. I'll take the cord. There's nothing else. Did I just see a TV or a monitor? I sure did. Leave no yoke behind. I ain't taking the whole thing, it's getting scratched. Snips. Should be good at this. Boom. Don't know how much of that you guys saw, but I got what I needed. As you can see, I just had a right good tidy up. Nice copper motor out of that washing machine. I got the aluminium cast wheel off it. Where is it? Somewhere. There's a lovely bit of short steering on the back of it and all. It's got a metal weight on it, cast metal. So I might try and get that in and weight in the short, because I've got a little bit of short steel here. And there's a radiator behind it, that'll go short. But yeah, a few nice bits of copper today. some more up front and all. Got some nice bit of cords. Some bit of stainless and motors in that tub there. Yeah, good times. I mean, it's slow going, but it's better than nothing. Right, just going to see if we can find some more to add to this pile. I'm in the heart of Scrapville and I found another fridge. Or a cord. That's about the only one. Everyone else has been scrapped out. Right, scrapped out proper. It's got a bit of cord on it. I'll take a little bit. See, that one's just scrapped. I'll take a bit of copper since it's been scrapped already. We've got another appliance, guys. We got one. We got one. It says my name on it. It says scrap. Is that a washing machine? I do believe it is, old boy. Oh yeah. You guys can't see absolutely nothing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, this is a big one. Oh. Oh. I'll take washing machines all day. Snips. Cut that bad boy off. Good times. Good times. Got a fridge. Fridge of a cord. What's it called? Well, that's it. We're going to call it quits for Saturday morning. We'll get these scrapped out. I've already done one. And call it a day there, I think. Well, call it a morning. So that took me a total... Oh, smashed my head on the van. A total of 6 hours to get all that. That was the longest scrap trip I've ever done. I've never done so many miles. Oh, we also got a subway. I found that in the street. Got some copper bits, we've got some cords, we've got a degaussing cable, we've got a TV yoke in here somewhere. There it is. That bad boy. That's good times right there. So that was worth it. A few bits of copper of some fridges that had already been scrapped out and stuff, and yeah. That's it. That's all she wrote. Oh, a few bits, nice few bits of copper. So it wasn't too bad. I've just filled up again. I reckon that cost me about £15 in fuel. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna have some lunch. I've got housework to do, washing up and clothes to wash and hoovering and all that jazz. So I'm gonna go and do that. And then hopefully I should get out tonight. So until then, be cool, be kind, and I'll see you next time. And thanks for the support. We're nearly at 2,000 subscribers at the moment. Well, they're called subscribers. I call you all your angels. 2,000 guardian angels. That's what you are. Thanks anyway. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. Love yous. And I'll see you all next time. Boom. Towards a nice comfy sofa, a cup of coffee, and a subway. Good times. See you later, guys.